Hello everyone, welcome back to the series of tutorials on Python programming. I am Deepak Niyal, and in this tutorial I am going to discuss second question: read text from two files and write to another new file. So basically we have two files and we want to create one file in which we will have content of these two files. So I suggest you watching first two tutorials if you have not watched them before. If you have watched them, then it's fine. Now we can talk about this another question: copy content of two files to a new file. So the concept is we have these two files. One is F1, another is F2, and then there is a file F3. Suppose this first file have the content Python, it has Java. So we are basically combining these two content, and then this file will have content Python and Java finally. And this will be done using a Python script. Clear? So basic thing that we should understand here, that we are using or opening this file in read mode. Similarly, we are opening this file in read mode, but this file we have to open in append mode, because if you open this file in write mode, it might overwrite while we are writing this file second time. Clear? So just open it in append mode, and we can do all these things in just a single line. So what we have to do, with open file name 1, this is file name 1, in read mode as F1, open file name 2, again read mode as F2, comma, and then third line ahead of it, open file name 3 in append mode as F3. So basically we have these three files, and what we have to do, we have to read one file like this. We have content data, you can make it data 1, then we have content data 2, f2.read, and finally you can make another variable data, which is data 1 plus data 2, and then you can write f3.write and data. So basically in this case we actually don't need this append mode, because we are writing it in a single line. So just make it w only and here w only. But we can make this program better, and what we can do, instead of this thing, we can do something like this. Maybe data equal to f1 dot read, and then data equal to data plus f2 dot read. So basically we have data, we don't have two variables now, data 1 and data 2. We have made a single variable data, and then we can write f3 dot write and data. Clear? So these are two different ways. We have some other methods also, and what you can do, you can write f3 dot write, and now we need two things here. One is f1 dot read plus f2 dot read. So basically we are concatenating text from two files here and then writing into it. So you can try all these things. If you find any error or any confusion in all of these, you can write your queries in the comments, and I will try to respond as soon as possible. Alright, so I think this is enough for this tutorial. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.